Hello, my name is Paul Bodley, and I am an associate professor in computer science at Idaho State University. And I'll be teaching Intro to Python during this year's Ignite Summer Camp series. I will be teaching the basics of the Python programming language. And we don't assume that you know anything. We're going to start from the beginning. We're going to teach you some constructs like if statements and for loops, and how we use these instructions to teach the computer what it is that we want them to do. And we're going to use these instructions in the Python programming language to draw some graphics and maybe program some Lego robots. But in general, the goal will be to teach you how to think like a computer scientist and how to approach problems the way that programmers start to think about and solve problems in the real world. So we're going to have a whole lot of fun this summer. This is the fourth or fifth time that I've taught this, and it's always a blast. So what you need to do is go to the website and register right now for the Intro to Python Summer Camp.